guys, today I'm going to be back with another app video. This time I'm going to be showing you an app that actually lets you earn a cashback by scanning receipts from when you go grocery shopping. The app we're going to be using today is called SnapCart. I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step process on how to earn money from using this app. First things first, you'll need receipts. Receipts from when you go grocery shopping. This is an example of a receipt that can be used. Not all receipts are allowed, but then this receipt, I tested it, it does work. Okay, the next thing you'll need is a phone. Today I'll be using a iPhone 5S. It's a pretty old phone, but still it gets the job done. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Okay, so when you first open the app, you'll notice that there are different functions within the app. And then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see what type of receipts are claimable. And then the different requirements for the receipt. So you can see here, the maximum transaction date on the receipt is 3 days ago. It can't be 4 days, it can't be 5 days, it needs to be a maximum of 3 days. And then there are other requirements, but then that's the only thing you need to keep in mind for now. Just make sure your receipt isn't that old yet. So as you can see here, I've been using SnapCart for about a week now, and then I've already gotten 34 pesos. Okay, so to begin, you need to get your receipt and press the snap button at the lower portion of the app. So once you're done, you'll need to take a picture of the receipt that you plan to send to SnapCart. It's okay if you don't take a picture of the whole thing in the first picture, but you can click the blue circle with the plus sign to continue taking a picture of the receipt until the entire thing is in the frame. The People app, SnapCart, will be able to connect the two pictures and then be able to identify if your receipt is claimable and then send you the money after a few days. Since now that's done, all I need to do is decide who made this purchase. Since I was the one who made this purchase, I'll be clicking the myself option and then send. Then this will take a few minutes, but you have to wait until the process is finished so that your receipt will be sent to the servers back at SnapCart. Okay, I'll be back when the process is finished. So stay tuned. Okay, now that the process is done, all you need to do is click the OK button and then wait for a few days, and then I'll check back in with you once it adds money back to my balance. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you'll stick around and watch the other videos on my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe the video and hit the bell notification icon if you like this video. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned.